Hello, today we'll be analyzing Eurusd using the 1 am, 5 am, and 9 am candle. Kudos. So, you can see this week has been bearish since Monday. No, Monday was a little bit not bearish, but yeah, it changed. So, what's the 1 am, 5 am, and 9 am candle? We've heard about the three, the power of three. Let me type here the power of three. Power of three. We have accumulation, manipulation, and finally distribution. This is what we be focusing on. This is the 1 am candle, 5 am candle, and the 9 am candle. It's so easy to catch this move. You don't need to know very many stuff. When you catch with it, you don't leave it here. You go all in full margin because it's working. It's proved to be working. So on the weekly time frame here, just to turn this to show you the direction of the market. This week has been to open at this level, open high, low, close. It's about to close at this point. And we come again next week and see what's up, yeah? And we're in it. We're in it. Not weird. So yeah. So again that we are expecting price maybe to come and break this level, but it will be bearish to begin with. Just a minute, just a minute, just a minute. Okay, we're expecting maybe price to reach this level or break this level. And when maybe gold bearish come to this level, come to this BG or this other block, yeah. So, but that's not our focus. What we're focusing on is we're focusing on the three candle, which is the PO3. Specifically, it follows the CRT strategy. Excuse me for talking a little bit too short. Laptop is a bit cheap. It's a HP. Talking to myself though. So let's go. See what's up. Do. It's so good to be switch to the 4 hour time frame. And see maybe what's up here. That time frame help us confirm the direction maybe of the CRT and the validity to test for it's one of the conferences one should focus on when entering a trade there. So before that we head to the way time frame and see maybe the direction. Just to get a clear point of view what we're about to do. It's the candle. Okay. Expecting if the price breaks this level, then we will see what's up here. So before that, we mark the high and lows of the weekly time frame before we even get to lead to the lower time frame. This is our CRT as you can see. Candle high, and we can see the candle low, candle low. So this is our complete CRT from there. More here to come in. It's just a strategy. So with that, we can start on the show and see what's up. But this is we have first 50 this. This is the level of interest. We have to draw it. It's a level of retracement. The price retraces or backtraces or kind of hits before it liquidates. Yeah, that's the word. Liquidates to that level. So here's the candles. These are the candles. The previous week will be analyzing the 1 am, 5 am candle of the previous week. So what's up, yeah? Today being NFP, we are not checking on this. Today was Friday, May 12, 2025. NFP, we can't. Just can't enter on news. So let's just keep off this day. Let's go to that day. So we mark the highs and lows of the candle. Then the 1 a.m. candle. This is the 1 a.m. We mark the highs of this 1 a.m. candle. This is the 1 a.m. candle. Just in the position that we could have got for the good entries, and you guys can see the 1 a.m. was broken to the top and to the downside. Yeah? That one, yeah, and this one. So this is what exactly that happened this day, that day, May 1. This was a good CRT, and very a bullish candle, and this a total soak and an accumulation at 9,159. See the good setup? It's candle range theorem, courtesy of it. That's the strategy that set us with the direction. So in case you're wondering what to do if such a setup don't play, you can choose not to, or you can switch to the next strategy, which is a Draco structure or stuff, something like that. But for me, I'm not using the strategy, so for me, if I see a setup that's not like this, I'm gonna skip it. So we go next. When you cut this entry, you go full margin and no risk, no gain, no money. For the entry, we just focus on the something called the gun box. The gun box is easier to focus on, and you draw it on the candle. So I expect to get the price around this point. But you see that point has been manipulated. Around this point. Then for the entries, we hit the 15-minute entry. You may use the 15 minutes just to be so precise and sure about what I'm doing. We end it here. So here, this is the level that we expected to reach. This is the 50% of the gun box. So obviously first we have to wait for our liquidity sweep, and this was the liquidity sweep. That's a must. We must wait for a liquidity sweep. Yeah? We must. Liquidity. Because there's so many others there, so we must wait for that. Just then go on. Let's come to this level. This is the last level. This is the next last level which is broken. This level gets broken. So this level, I'm just showing the possible areas for the entries. This level got broken but this bullish candle here and went high. So you just get it, trying to get the best way to enter for that position for the 1 a.m. 5 a.m. and 9 a.m. candle. The best, just get into the deeper content so that you will be able to enter a trade on your own. So here is that. So we came here. This is not very much the change of crypto. This is the last bearish candle before it broke this structure. So this is the breaker structure. We have to wait for price to come and break this level with a solid candle. Another one. And wait for this liquidity sweep. Then maybe enter a position at around the 50% of this liquidity sweep. Again, you can't wait for that, you just have to wait for this. You don't enter on the first, you just have to wait. So again, the loss of this level is here. exactly 50% of the manipulation candle. That's why you're supposed to wait for your entry in that level there. It was huge. It was bearish, so we could have entered shorts, full margin on shorts, full margin on shorts, targeting the next low, which got destruction. Probably this low, or maybe God of Miracles, the next low. So that is not on the point, that's just about got into the trade. Go back to a 4 time frame and see what's up. The next candles we try to analyze and see. This trades just need to be caught. It's not that hard. It's so simple. What's up, yo? So this we out. Focus on the next 1 a.m. This one. 1 a.m. 5 a.m. 9 a.m. So we mark the highs and lows of this candle. Another one. This should be a losing trade because obviously there was this total soup on the lower side of this candle. But just to be on the safe side, I think you should just focus on the solid. The first candle has to be very solid, yeah? The accumulation candle. Yeah? So yeah, so this was an out. I could take a buy from here, targeting this level. The stop loss would have been taken and I would have lost a lot of money. But that's it. We push. So here again, you have another candle. 1 a.m. So here we got another one around this point. Here, there. These are the candles. This one, 1 a.m., 5 a.m., 9 a.m. So for the 1 a.m., it was taken on the lower side. So what did we expect on the dark candle? We expected a bullish move. But before the bullish move, we have to wait for the price to get back to this level and end our trade once the price hits this level here. We earn it. So this will be a very good entry here. 1 a.m. candle. Let's go again. This is a valid, yeah? It's a valid one. Yeah, man. It's a valid candle, but didn't break on the lower side. This candle did break here. So even if it was a bullish move, you couldn't enter the trade because that's not on our timeline. Yeah? So here's another one. 1 a.m. here. 1 a.m. candle. Mark the highs and lows of the candle. And then mark the close side of it. We wait for price to come back to this level and check out this. And then we can be able to see what really happens. This was blocking on the lower tension on the lower side there. Yep, this open high, open lower, high close and stuff. This candle, this one. here. It is broken down. So we're waiting for the price to get bullish here. You can see the high was taken out, but this candle we are expecting it to get to the maybe if not here, this level, 50% of this candle. So here is it in the gun box. The gun box here, look for the gun box in this manipulation candle. So here we've determined type, but this trade was not worth it because the risk management and stuff, just a very such a trade, just set up here. We go again, we locked in here. This one we didn't even here, so this one would work. We had of the many kind of things and stuff. Many kind of CLT, so this is the high and low of the one and it's broken twice and the high tension. So the reason why I say the price should come back to this point because it's just to be proved back to get back to this point. For coming to the bearish and breaking down the low side of this candle, this 1 AM candle will be a very good profit here. So profit there would have been taken quite well. Strategy is CRT. Let us see of small. I'm small. Follow me on all platforms. No BP is TJR because that's my main TV. No second. So let's go on there. We push regardless. The 9 AM candle. Here we go again. The 1 AM candle here. I taken out. And then we go to the low, taken out. Yeah. 1 AM, 5 AM, 9 AM. 50%. 50% gun box. Around that point, huh? So for this candle came back to this point with the low, yeah. So the price is broken. This is a break of structure and retracted as a retracement point. Draw the gambles of this candle. Goes for the end share. With that we have that and we have developed for the same end share around right point. Yeah, but I don't trade these continuations sometimes because of these candles coming back. So yeah, we go again. There we go. Here we got another one. 1 AM CRT. 1 AM. Broke the high. Just never came back to this level. So we just have to perfect when they come to the lower. This we just trade this game box. Maybe put some trades in that and hope maybe trade them back. Or if I try to get back this 50% of this game box for the entry, that will work on that. Yeah. So we go on regardless. 1 AM, 5 AM, 1 AM. We need to continue talking about this stuff. The continuation candle, we check it differently. So this is the manipulation candle. This candle came and broke with a solid body here. Then when high with the solid, so this kind of withdraw gambles for here. Where to this trade would have taken a trade around that point. But yeah, we couldn't. Because of one reason or another. That's the level up. Took it to the 50%. But this is a continuation content, we're not focusing on that. I'm just showing you how to deal with it. This one is the 1 AM candle, we mark the lows and highs of the 1 AM candle. We head to the 9 to the highs of the week. This you can see the high was never taken but was taken out later with main candles. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? See exactly what I'm talking about. I did more interest around this for candle. If you wait for this setup, wait for price to come back to this point, Just like manipulate. Hit a boy, So this trade you have to apply proper risk management, We're gonna lose the account. So we go on, we just don't need to do more examples. I hope the point is stuck in between your eardrums. So what you really mean here. So we pass those, then we come back to this one again, we draw the highs and lows of it. The high was taken out, but the low was taken out still. It was never taken out, and when it was taken out, you know what I mean? Press came, didn't bring the down, came, broke the top, came back, changed of character, came back and broke the low, So that's it, 1 AM, solid structure, do the gambots here, away here. So this gambots, 50% enter trade around that level. Check for other conferences like order blocks. So here again we go to the 9 AM candle, 1 AM 5 solid candle, 50% candles like this. 50% of it, take a sell entry, like proper management. Then you block 10. So I have 1 AM, I have was taken, earlier was taken. So we don't forget on that. Leave it as it is. Yeah, we got this level back then and we came back again. So we just upgrades it there. For him, the 1 AM, I was taken out. 1 AM, I was taken out. So wait for the change of character, maybe anti-block, so other blocking. Enough for a short entry to get in this level, this range, this so yeah, we still do that. Continue on. And I'm coming back below, right? This convert don't take we just set back on such a point. Maybe these winners and disappearance and stuff. Break the law to give this order. But I hope you get the point I'm trying to say to you because I'm trying. If you're doing the same thing over and over and over again, this is a bearish and we are not say it again. It doesn't work mostly of the time because it's a dodgy. Even if you draw it, sometimes it might work, sometimes it cannot for whenever. In such as a candle, it doesn't most times work. And if you see it, the bearish move, so this candle is other broken. Yeah, so we head to the next. First came broke this low, but never came back to the top, so that was a loss. Broke 50% change of character lower. No, no higher low was taken. Avoid that play. Here the low is taken out. After the 1 AM candle, we draw the highs and lows again. Low is taken out. This candle closed the inside. Took a traded bullish candle there. We go and regardless. The 1 AM candle broke the high. Taking a bullish trend. 50% of this global index. The index 50% of the one that took a buy. Suicide. Don't feel nothing. 1 AM candle. No loss taken. High was taken. 50% took a low on the low side. 50% on the total flip. This one we go again. No high was taken. No trade taken. This again, the high was taken out. And this story is repeating itself. I'm so tired. The story repeats itself almost and over and over and over again. What I'm talking about. So with this, that's the same what exactly happened. No. Yeah. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. So thank you for watching my show. I'm just taking the time.